दुकारता वरता विघ्नाति नुर्वे पूर्वे प्रेम कृपादयाति सर्वांगी सुंदर उदसेन्दुराति कंठी शोभे माळ मुक्तापाची जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ति वो मंगल मूर्ति दर्शन मात्रे मान श्रावण मात्रे मान कामना पूर्ति जय देव कुंती कुंकुमेश्वरा हीरललिता मुकुटा शोभा तुम्हारा रोदन दिन पूरे चले आगरी आज देव जय मंगल मूर्ति वो मंगल मूर्ति दर्शन मात्रे मान श्रावण मात्रे मान कामना पूर्ति जय देव लंबोदर पीतांबर परिवर बंधना सर्वरक्षा विष्णुवदना जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ति वो मंगल मूर्ति दर्शन मात्रे मान श्रावण मात्रे मान कामना पूर्ति जय देव योगे आधावी विडवरे वो भावा मांगे रुक्माई दिवेति शोभा पुनरुजावे देना प्रब्रह्म अलगा शनिवाय भीमा उदरी जय राज देव जय पांडुरंगा हरि पांडुरंगा रुक्माई वल्लभ राही चा वल्लभ पावे जुलगा जय देव तुझे मालवली न चरण डोळ्याना पाहिन रूप तुझे प्रेम आलिंगन आनंद पूजन भावे वाळीन मरे नाम तमेव माता पिता तमेव बंधु सखा तमेव विद्याधरम तमेव सर्वं मम देवदेवं कायानवाद
Actually, we are making feature films. I mean, through OTT and web series and including short films. We have own OTT platform. That's name is Rflex OTT platform. And also we are making some youthful entertainers like commercial films, feature films. At the same time, OTT based feature films and including content based web series and short films. It's not only one language. Telugu and Tamil, including Kannada, main lead Hindi language. That's why we started in a corporate office in Andheri. But here also we have already we wanted to start some feature films, especially in Hindi for Bollywood, and we are making some feature films and commercial feature films and love stories and social oriented. Message oriented feature films. Nowadays OTT platform already going on very well and very big business here. And this is the capital corporate film business in capital in Mumbai. That's why we have started here only, and we have a team and a technical team and artists. We have so many supporters here, and my costume designer and creative director here. His name is Mr. Anshu Jaiswal, and another Amit ji also already working under our concern, and right now he is also directing 2 films in Bollywood. One film is OTT, some popular Bollywood OTT platform for, and under Reddy's Multiplex Movies Private Limited. Amit ji has also so supported us, and maybe this first project will be launched very soon in Mumbai actually. we wanted to start very big corporate launching and event in one five-star hotel or JW Marriott or otherwise any Novotel hotel also. And all work is going on. Today we started. We have done excellent puja here, and we all my Sneha Chaudhary ma'am already, she is also very popular in South India, and she's a very big celebrity and socialite, and she's SVR Tours and Travels MD Managing Director. She is also one of the partner, one of the producer, Tollywood producer. She made one film along with Action King Arjun, and she also supported me. She's a very big socialite in Hyderabad. That's why I invited here only, and he is Mr. Ramul Reddy. He is into real estate building and builder, and our organization, the Reddy's organization president. He is also one of the partner in our Reddy's Multiplex Movies Corporate Limited company. And now onwards we are starting so many multiple feature films, and at the same time web series and OTT based. Netflix and Amazon type of, we are starting our own OTT, Indian content based OTT platform, and we have done one corporate event in Hyderabad at Park Hyatt Hotel, and now already we are making one corporate launch in Vizag, and after then we will start in Mumbai, very big corporate launch. And all directors also, we have selected 2 directors and 3 projects here, especially content and concept oriented projects, at the same time social message oriented contents and youthful love stories. This is only out and out Indian OTT platform. At the same time, Reddy's Multiplex Movies Private Limited, already we have established in Tollywood and Collywood, including Sandalwood also. Now already we are entering Bollywood. Thus, thanks for your media support, and thanks for your electronic media and print media, web media also. And definitely we will become a very big company in Bollywood. We wanted to become a very big launches and projects here. And thanks for your once again for your media support, and I especially in web media and electronic media, including print media. And my ma'am already wanted to speak with you. Just ma'am.
Yeah, I'm Sneha Chaudhary, MD of SVR Tours and Travels and Telugu producer, and I'm a socialite in Hyderabad. I'm very privileged to be part of this inauguration program in Mumbai for Rplex OTT platforms. And I congratulate Mr. Vijay Reddy and Ramul Reddy Garu. All the best to the team, and congratulations everyone. Thank you, media.
Yeah, no problem. You can speak.
My name is K. Ramul Reddy, Reddy Multiplex Movies Vice President. Okay. ఇంకేం తెలుగులోనే
తెలుగులో చెప్పండి.
సో ఏదైతే విజయ్ రెడ్డి ఈ రెడ్డి మల్టీప్లెక్స్ ప్రైవేట్ లిమిటెడ్ మూవీస్ ఉందో ఆ విజన్కి నేను సహకరిస్తూ
Creativity. That's why I introduced it in front of media people, and he has written excellent scripts, and we have selected 2 scripts under Reddy's Multiplex Movies Private Limited, and one is OTT platform based feature film, and another one is very big film in 4 languages film: Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, including Hindi. These 2 projects we have finalized now, along with my partner Ramul Reddy sir, including Sneha Chaudhary ma'am. And now already I wanted to invite some Gaurav Mishra sir. Please, you speak.
हम लोग फिल्म को जो प्लान कर रहे हैं, ये एक हम लोगों ने जो लेडीज़ फिल्म में हम लोगों ने जो फिल्म को सिलेक्ट किया हुआ है, थोड़ा डिफरेंट पार्ट है। अभी तक जितने भी हम लोगों ने फिल्में देखी हैं उससे थोड़ा अलग है। हम लोग कुछ सीन हम लोग यहाँ पे शूट कर रहे हैं, कुछ यूके में शूट कर रहे हैं, ऐसा हमारा प्लान